enrichment is different from foundation course. Okay? In foundation, some basic topics are covered, the base is made. But in enrichment, you are nourished how to write the answers, give the technically geography answer. So sir and ma'am both were teaching this. So yes, it can give a edge point from the others who don't know how to write and how to technically address the answers. So yes, it was a good experience. And after seeing geography optional paper this year, 21, I can see my preparation is going the right way, and sir is also doing the right way, because some question directly or indirectly you can say are linked from that also. The topics which sir has covered. Sir also used to provide geography model answer. He said you can visit the website and jot down all the model answers. For every topic, say geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, for every topics, 10 to 15 he used to give a model answer. So at the end of course, I was having more than 200, 300 answers, or say 500, including the enrichment classes topics. So yes, after practicing 500 question, you can obviously do something better than others. I didn't ask the doubts, but there were others who were continuously asking. So yes, sir has addressed them correctly, and yes, they were all satisfied whenever they asked any questions. Yes, sir itself was there in the Telegram group. So if anyone has a doubt after the session, so he can directly post a question there on the chat. If sir is not able to address the answer, then other faculty is there to address the issue. कोई तो available था ही, मतलब address करने के लिए issue. The model answer was provided, that was the edge point. Okay. So I already said earlier, 20 for each topic, 20 questions were there. If we practice that question only, we will somehow clear the optional paper. For 500, if we alone do the 500 question, सिर्फ वही करके चले जाओ तो निकल जाएगा पेपर. I believe that. तो उसमें पूरा कवर हो रहा था. I cannot say about other courses Edykemy is providing because I didn't enroll in that. But for enrichment, अगर एक भी क्वेश्चन आ रहा है आप जो सर पढ़ाए हैं तो ठीक है, उससे आपका हो रहा है, पेपर निकल रहा है, पेपर क्लियर ही करना है ना अल्टीमेटली. तो जो सर पढ़ा रहे हैं उससे क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. हाँ मैम शायद already told others कि she already written mains 4 times. So learning from her is also one type of experience. She know how to write the answers, what is the environment while writing the answers. So yes, she already shared her experience, how to write, what is the time frame we have to write, how to enrich, how to dot diagrams and all. So yes, she also helped me.